YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl, Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them and they partners in them, because we lady over there. Over there. y'all see I cut my nails down. Whew. Yeah, I'm just trying something different. So yes, in today's video, we have a little something from everywhere. We going to Temu. I think the DH and the Expressway. So let's get into it. Okay, this mail from Vision works. I gotta go to the eye doctors. The eye doctors. Oh my god, because I put like everything in this bag. But my mom just put the packages on my steps. She's like, I'm not walking up the steps. I'm like, it's okay, just leave it on the stairs. I get them. Ooh, if you hear fans in the back, y'all, it's hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I don't know when y'all might see this video, but it's March and it's hot. It's been like in the 60s. I think the highest was like 70 something. Weird, like very weird weather behavior. So let's see. See if anything else is in here. So this is from the Expressway. They sell Pandora-like charms. So that's all I purchased from them. So let's see. This one is a Chucky charm. Not sure if y'all could see it. There we go. It's a Chucky charm. And y'all, I love dogs. I'm thinking about getting one this year. Not sure, just trying to figure out if that's the responsibility I want to take on right now, because I know that's a huge responsibility. But y'all, I got me a poodle charm and a Scorpio charm, because y'all know I'm a Scorpio. So that's that. Oh, I'm hot. Sometimes y'all, I think I be flashing, and I'm only 32. Golly. Somebody probably like, girl, you too young. I know. Like, whew. Let me make sure I block that out. When my grandma and my mom be having flashes, I be laughing at them. But now, no. Baby, I do not know. Alright, and then y'all know I love perfume, so I got a perfume charm. It says I love perfume. And then, y'all, this bracelet. So they sell Pandora bracelets also. This is supposed to be a Pandora bracelet. It's like a tennis bracelet, kind of, sort of. And it actually say Pandora on the clasp. Y'all see that? And I got this in a size, I want to say I got this in the size 21 centimeters, because I got a thicker wrist. It's gonna fit comfortably. I just gotta put the bracelet on, or have somebody put that on for me. And then, let's see, what's in here? So definitely go on there if you're looking for like Pandora-like stuff. Hold on, y'all, my address is about to show. Okay, so like 3 of these, my name, or not my name, my address is gonna show. So I'm just gonna take them out of the plastic or the packaging. All right. So since we're talking about Pandora, they also sell Pandora rings. I know the last video I did, I got them too small, so I gave my grandma one, and I think I might do, or my nana one, and I think I might do a giveaway. Or did I give them all to her? I'm not sure. If there's anything, if I didn't give them all to her, then I'll do a giveaway, but if I did, I'm sorry. So I had, my last ones I got in a size 8, and then the other ones before that, or the ones before the last were in a size 8, and then I got a size 6, which they were too small. So I got these in a size 7, and these just go right on. And they're Pandora rings. So this one is in the gold. Come on now. I'm not sure if it's gonna show. Oh, let me try to do them at the same time. What are you focusing on? Well, they say Pandora around the thing. One is in gold, one is in silver, and they just say Pandora around the thing. So that's that one. Y'all know Mother's Day is coming up. Or hopefully by the time y'all see this, it hasn't passed already. So I wanted to get my mom a necklace. As if she needs more necklaces. So this is in stainless steel. Y'all know I get all my jewelry in either titanium or stainless steel, and this one just says Mom. Thought this was cute, so I'll make sure I put that up. Mom, if you're looking at the video when I give you this, act like you didn't see it. Let me see what else. And I got us both matching necklaces. Thought this was so cute. I'll leave hers in there. I'll take mine out. And they're both stainless steel. And I just thought it was cute to have another matchy because actually me and my mom have a heart necklace that's like, you know how like the best friends necklace, like you take a piece, I'll take a piece. So we both have a heart necklace, and I think it says Temu. I think so. Yeah. She has one half, I have the other half. So this is the necklace that we both have. Come on, phone. Don't act like that. There we go. Thought that was cute. So we both got the same necklace. Can't wait to put mine on. Let's see what's in here. Alright, and I believe this is supposed to be the dupe of the Tiffany bracelet. This is a Tiffany bracelet, or it's one of those bracelets. Remember, I had purchased this bracelet, y'all, and my arm was too chunky. So I got the other one that got this extended part, which knowing me, I'm probably gonna like take this off and just keep this one on there. And yes, y'all know I love me a good old bracelet. A good old bracelet, and then I like to layer my bracelets. Y'all know me, and I'm in my gold phase because I was on silver not too long ago, or a minute ago, and now I'm on gold. So let's see what this package is. And everything I just showed y'all, that was from the Expressway. Let's see. This is from the Gateway. And it says Coach. I just thought this was so cute. It's Mickey Mouse and it has Coach. And hold on. Where is my hat? Where is my hat? I'm trying to see where my hat at. Hold on, y'all. So y'all, I purchased this bag to match my Gucci hat. Yeah, it's two different types of labels, but I thought it was cute. So yeah, this is the match my Gucci hat. We got gold hardware. It says Coach on the little tab here. It did come with, you know, the little, well, it's two, so you could wear it as like on your wrist or crossbody. It doesn't have a pocket in here or anything, so it's just something simple when I just want to be, you know, carrying light, just put my phone in here and things of that nature, you know, my necessities. And I thought this was cute. It's something cute to have. Hold on, let me throw this stuff away. Hold on, we have Temu. This is the last thing I'm going to be showing. Uh-oh, something fell. Make sure everything out of here. So y'all know I love purple, so I purchased this for my keys. Because I currently have, I don't even know where my keys at. But I currently have like a cheetah wristlet, so I felt like this heart wristlet would be so cute. So I got that. Y'all know I love bracelets. And Temu, they also sell stainless steel or titanium steel bracelets. That's where I got this little heart bracelet from, and it has not turned on me. So I got this one. Y'all know I love hearts. I had to get this one. It's just hearts. Let me see. This is another heart bracelet. It's so cute. Y'all, I'm about to be draped up and dripped out. And then just a regular bangle. Come on. Come on. Just a regular bangle. Then I got a few rings. Let me see. Where'd that ring go? Am I tripping? Didn't I just have a ring? Oh, wait. No, that is the ring. Duh. Let me throw this stuff away. This is a cute little ring. It got like, I think that's jade. Like the jade little, the jade. What is that? Jade is considered a stone. Duh. It has the jade stone in there. I thought this was cute. What is it trying to pay attention to? I don't know, y'all. This phone is doing what it wants to do. And then I purchased this to put on my one purse. I'm gonna do a video on it, but just to I purchased this for my purse so I can make the purse into a crossbody, because it's actually like a mini tote bag, so it doesn't have any prongs on the side, so I can put a strap on there. So I'm gonna do it myself. I've seen somebody do this in a YouTube video, so I'm gonna try it out. So that's going to be a later video. So make sure I just put that to the side, because normally if I put it away, I'm gonna lose it. And then the last thing is this right here. So let me open this off camera real quick, or not off camera, but you know what I mean. Because it's like a lot. Let's see if it's got a picture on it. If not, I'll try to find the item and put a picture. If not, I'll try to find the item and put a picture of it on the side of the screen. Hold on, y'all. It's like taped up. Oh my goodness. All this darn tape. Okay, so this. It's like a big package, lightweight. So no, it doesn't have a photo in here. I'm gonna post a photo somewhere up here. Basically, I'm gonna use this to place some of my nail stuff in and stuff because that's what I need to do. Yeah. So it's gonna be like, it's supposed to be like this little buggy thing, cart thing that got a handle, and we'll see once we put it together. So yeah, y'all, this is my mini haul. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.